Good morning, all. Today we will start lecture on information theory and coding. It is very useful in communication system with respect to signaling. Performance of communication system is measured by term of error probability. If probability of error at receiver side is 0, means errorless transmission, means no error in communication system. What performance of communication system depend on signal power, channel noise, and bandwidth. Bandwidth means it is difference of frequency upper cutoff to lower cutoff. These condition wise Shannon phenomena. So it is possible to establish errorless transmission. So information theory is used for mathematical modeling and analysis of communication system. Communication is related to uncertainty or surprising. Information has become the key to success. Behind all this exchange of information lie the tinnies, ones or zeros. They are the omnipresent bit that hold the information next person. Shannon say in 1948 in broadcast sense information is interpreted to include the message occurring in any of standard communication media such as telegraphy, telephony, radio, TV, and signal involved in electronics, computer, servo mechanism system, and other data processing device. So we will discuss some example related to understand the basic concept of information. Tomorrow the sun will rise from east. Second example is the mobile will ring in the next 1 hour. Third is it will snow in Ajmer next winter. Basically, we can understand about the information. Like first example, tomorrow the sun will rise from the east. You think it has no information because it's sure everybody know that sun rises from east every day. So probability of this happening again is almost 1. So there is no information here. And next example, the mobile will ring or will ring in next 1 hour. Means it has some information. Then sun rises in the east. Example of 1. The phone may ring or it may not. It has a finite probability, means it has some information. Next example, it will it will snow in Ajmer next winter. This say our broadcast channel or our media means probability of snow in Ajmer is very low. It is interesting, so it carried more information. So it is very important. Definition of information: consider a communication system transmit number of messages like M1, M2, M3, M4, so on, with probability of occurrence P1, P2, P3, P4, so on. The amount of information transmitted through the message Mk with probability of Pk. Total probability of sending the message is equal to 1. So amount of information, we denoted amount of information is Ik is equal to log 2 1 upon Pk. Here we use log 2 means we can transmit the binary digit 0 or 1, and here log 2 1 upon Pk is equal to log base 10 1 upon Pk upon log base 10 with respect to 2. So simply we can divide it to log base 10 by 2 all time. So we calculate the amount of information through this formula. Here unit of information is bit. We will measure amount of information Ik in bit or binary, means binary digit. Here some properties of information we can discuss. Here first, more uncertainty means information more. Means if there is more uncertainty about the message, information carried is also more. This is the last example. It will snow in Ajmer next winter. Second property, if receiver know the message being transmitted, the amount of information carried is 0, means Ik is 0, because probability of this message is equal to 1, and we put the above formula log 2 1 upon Pk, and Pk is 1 and log 2 base goes to 0. Third property is if I1 is the information carried by message M1 and next I2 is the information carried by M2, then amount of information carried combined due to M1 and M2 is I1 plus I2. So we can simply put the value in our formula. Ik is log 2 1 upon Pk. Then four basic properties very important. If there are m is equal to 2 की power n equally likely messages, then amount of information carried by each message will be n bit. These basic properties of information we will discuss some examples related to these properties, and we can solve these.